Hey guys, I'm going to enter this gate. There's a scanner, digital scanner. I'm a stranger here. Let's go and check the scanner whether it allows me to enter or not. There are two guards. There are two cats. What are they doing here? A black one and a brown one. Okay, let's go and check the scanner. I'm going to show my face. It shows stranger. I can't enter it. Please sign. Sign it somewhere. Wow. So which means a stranger can't enter this gate. Where are the bodyguards? 请登记 means please sign your name somewhere. Maybe there's a guy. My face can't be recognized by this scanner. Please sign it. Kitten! Come on! It looks at me. I'm a stranger. Come on! Wow! It's a beautiful one. Come on. It doesn't move at all. Beautiful. Okay, let's check the scanner again. Recheck it. I show my face. Please sign. Yeah, I failed again. Okay, bye-bye everyone. If you like this video, give me a like. Bye-bye.